How to download BGMI on Android device. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download Battlegrounds Mobile India game on your Android device. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, go to Play Store, and after going to Play Store, here on the on the top here you have to search for BGMI. Okay, after searching for BGMI, here the second one you can see Battlegrounds Mobile India. This one, just click here, and here you have to click on install option. Just tap on install, and here you can see if you have Wi-Fi, then just click on Wi-Fi, and if you don't have Wi-Fi, you just need to click on now over any network and click on OK. And then here you can see it's downloading. Just hold and watch until it get download. It will take a moment. It depend upon your network, internet network connection, how fast, how speed your network is. So you can see it's downloading. My network is not that good, so after completing this, your BGMI will be successfully download on your Android device. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.